What's up, YouTube? We have a mail call, and this is a serious mail call. Ain't everyone though? But anyway, so it's not here. Oh, wait. That's because, let me show you. Look up, spin you around, and look down. What is that? It is an Ender 3 Pro. So you guys that know me, I run the ANET A8s. I had two of them. This is my OG one, and my other one I had like this I give to my brother dog. So both of them have decided they don't want to work no more. You guys all know E-Drone, that guy. What, you don't? Then you should. He ended up talking with my wife and my son, and they all come up together and got me this puppy. So this thing, compared to what I run here, is like owning a gasoline car and you went to a Tesla. Yeah, it's really that good. So let's go ahead and get this thing out the box and let's see what all the talk's about. This thing is nice. Look at that build plate. Whew. Magnetic. Now I heard just don't go over 80 degrees or 80 Celsius with that or something, and the magnetic does not get ruined. An indentation. Ooh. Ooh. Alright. I don't even know how to start, take it out, I guess. Guess that's how it's gonna come out first. So we're probably gonna need two hands. Let me get it out and we'll set it behind us and we'll see what we got here. Alright, so we got the main piece out here. Let's see the tolerances on that. A lot of people say they come through wiggling and moving. To be honest with you, it's not bad. So we got our screen here. Upright supports, I take it. Maybe that's the top and the bottom. This is my other ones were direct feed, so which means the filament went down through the top. This guy has something that sets back here, feeds the filament, or somehow I'll figure it all out. And then feeds, I think it sets like this, and it feeds the filament down into this tube, down into the extruder. So it's a totally different setup than what I normally use. And yeah, I'll show you what's the rest in the box. Okay, got power supply. This is what do you call it? Main well or some shit like that. So world difference compared to what I have already. Give you a paint scraper for getting prints off the build plate, which got a magnetic thing. So looks like some test film in here with some just nozzles and things in there. Cool beans. Looks like they incorporated those little locks for the tube. Tube in there. That's just a filament. Okay. We got that. Got this going on here. Bunch of screw packets. A bracket with some pulleys. Some wheels on it. That's going to be for the spoil to hold your filament. This guy screws to it. I don't know much about this, so don't beat me up here. Power cord. Like I said, I haven't been into this. This is going to probably be the Z motor, I imagine. And then we have our, here's the going to be the upright supports, much taller. And then our Z bolt. Nice how they put it in that tube to protect it. I like seeing that. So anyway, we got a job ahead of us to get this puppy up and running, get it going, get Cure all ready to go onto it. I don't know how difficult that's going to be. Totally something different from what I'm used to. So there it is, the Ender 3 Pro. We'll get you a video when it's all set up, show you guys it printing its first little test benchy. Thank you guys so much. E-Drone, Crystal and my son Russell, thank you guys so much. This is like unreal. The A-nets have been with me for a long time. I have put a lot of work into those things, but things change, and this guy is the future, so we might as well go ahead and see what we can do. I've done looked up mods for it and all kind of stuff, so you know me, we're gonna mod it. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to the channel. This boy will be up and running. We'll build it, maybe we'll film all that and everything, so we will catch you on the next one. You guys have a good one.